Hi everyone, welcome back to Kim May's vlog. Yes, we have snow, and this was about the second week of April. We got a blizzard warning stating that this would be the worst blizzard in decades in Manitoba. Prior to that, Winnipeg had gone under a storm watch as the blizzard approached, and it claimed to project around 30 to 50 centimeters of snow with bitter northern winds gusting from 70 to 90 kilometers per hour. But honestly, throughout that week, it just felt like a normal winter storm for Winnipeg. There were some stores that were closed for a day or two because of this warning, and yeah, the snow came down pretty fast, but it really wasn't that bad as everyone was saying it to be. It's just really unfortunate that we have snow again, because it's May is approaching, spring is approaching, and we just want to enjoy the sun, the outdoors. We just don't want to see the snow anymore. But anyways, that's Winterpeg for ya. So for the rest of this video, we're just out and about. Last half of this video is our family going to the Jurassic Quest event, and that was really fun. So enjoy watching that.
slide it over there. Where'd you go? Okay, all right. Now, I have brought with me a ferocious friend who's absolutely dying to meet you all. But in order to bring him out, I need for you all to chant his name. So I need for everyone to go. Jojo. Jojo.
Jojo.
Louder.
Jojo.
Good looking for your voice. Easy. Easy. Can we all say hi, Jojo? Now, Jojo here is a Utah raptor. Can anyone guess where the Utah raptor was discovered? Yeah! Did you say no eyes wrong? No, Mr. Dinosaur Expert, you're wrong. All right, Jojo. Jojo. An easy one. Jojo. Jojo, come. Okay. All right. Good boy. Can you sit? There we go. Good boy. Now stand back up. Nice job. Can you strike a pose? Wow, there it is. Okay, can you shake your booty? Here we go. Shake your booty. Oh yeah. Have you guys ever seen a dinosaur dance before? You gotta warn someone next time you throw a flashbang at them. Oh my goodness. Anyway, have you guys ever seen a dinosaur dance before? Would you like to? All right, Jojo, where are you? Okay, you're here. Hi, Jojo. Sorry. Please, stop it! Stop throwing the sun at my eyes. Thank you. All right, Jojo. Just like we rehearsed, okay? Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Now everybody clap your hands. Thank you guys so much for clapping. Jojo's arms actually are way too small for him to clap, so it makes him feel a lot.
Put your hand up.
Now I want you to put it straight in front of you.
Look like this.
Like a college student asking for money.
Oh.
And you kids will learn about that later on. Now I want you to make the motion of you touching your shoulder. Just like that. Same hand, same shoulder. There you go. You can say it multiple times. There you go. All right. Yes, I am that guy that calls out everyone. Now I want you to move your hands in a circle. And at the same time, I want you to swivel your hips. That's right. And I want you to definitely do it if you're wearing a Rick and Morty hoodie. Especially in this day and age, absolutely. You're gonna, yep, Rick and Morty hasn't had a new episode in like... Good boy. Let's give it up for Jojo! Now, you guys have learned about a Utah raptor. You guys trained a Utah raptor. And you became eating your kids. It's amazing.